What is going on? This is AlTone, and this is the Enviroklenz Air System Plus. So what comes in the box with the Enviroklenz Air System Plus is the body of the unit, 2 UV lights, the Enviroklenz Air Cartridge, the Enviroklenz HEPA filter, and the startup instructions which are actually printed on the HEPA filter. It is truly easy to set up this system and get it running. The first thing you want to do is place the unit where you would like to use it. It is a pretty large unit, but it has wheels on the bottom, so you can easily roll that around. Remove the air cartridge and HEPA filter. You'll install the HEPA filter, also making sure that the airflow arrows are actually pointing down. Then install the UV lights. Then you're going to install the air cartridge with the airflow arrow also facing down. Once all of your filters are installed, you're just going to replace the back of the unit, plug it into an outlet, turn it around, and you can use the settings knob to turn it on. The power light will light up to let you know that the unit is on, and if you turn on the UV light switch, there are 2 indicator lights that will also light up, letting you know that the UV lights are actually working. So the Enviroklenz Air System Plus works extremely well. My sinuses are pretty sensitive, and since we've been running it, it seems as if I can breathe better. It's actually helped with the congestion that I've been experiencing, and I think it's actually doing a great job. So that is the Enviroklenz Air System Plus. I think it is an absolutely fantastic unit. My sinuses, thank you for allowing me to try out this product. It's been a pleasure so far, and we've enjoyed having it in our living space in our home. So hope this has helped you out in some way. Have an absolutely fantastic day, and I look forward to talking to you again in a future video.